I just got my new power strip set from Huntkey. I've got the 6-spot power strip. That one's gonna have surge protection. I've got the smaller 3-spot power strip. And then I've got the 16-foot cord. That's gonna be great for garages and workshops and power tools and things. Then I've got the 10-foot here. That's gonna be great for, like a living room, TV and entertainment center. And then I've got the 4-foot cord. That's gonna be great for like tight desks. All right, so here they all are. You can see the 3-spot one comes with a little carrying case, which is gonna be nice for travel. Here's a view at the larger one. Looks like we've got spots on the side, USB and USB-C. Same goes for the smaller travel one. And we've got Velcro straps on all of these to keep them nice and neat. That's really awesome to see. I love those. And of course, the other awesome thing to see on all these is the 90-degree plug. So that's going to be able to get you into a tight spot with that. You're not going to have to worry about what outlet you're trying to fit it in. It's just going to fit in there nice and neat with this slim 90-degree plug. Other plugs are going to be undetachable, and these ones being detachable makes them so much more convenient to give you all sorts of DIY. And we have this button here to unplug it, so let's try it out. You can hear that click, meaning we're good to go. The other thing that's really great about this 6-outlet one is these outlets are opposite of each other, so you're gonna be able to fit even the largest of AC plugs on here. Now, both of these do come with high-speed charging. The 6-outlet is gonna be able to charge 10 devices 30% faster. You can see just how nice that is. That's gonna keep this thing from tangling. It's gonna allow the cable to, slide against itself. So it's not gonna knot up or bind when you store it. Both of these power strips are ETL certified, but yeah, that's basically, the gist of them. All right, so I'm using the USB-A outlet on here to charge my Bluetooth speaker, and at the same time, we've got our KitchenAid mixer just to kind of test out, a high wattage device. So let's try that out. These outlets right here are going to be 15-watt PD. So they all have fast charging capabilities. We've got 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A. That goes for both models here. And when you're done using it, it's going to be easy to pack up. You can unclick it here. That actually makes it really convenient for storage as well. Wrap it up with this special strip included. And of course, this one has the switch on it since it has surge protection, just on the 6-outlet model. Overall though, really great product here. I love the interchangeability between the cords and the 3 and the 6-outlet units. So if you're interested in a really great power strip, go ahead and check these out.